Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Boult Audio Arc Bluetooth speaker. On the top of the box we have an image of the speaker unit itself, Boult Audio branding on the top left and Arc branding on the bottom right. On the left hand side of the box we have some importing and manufacturing information right here and the customer care details on the bottom. On the other side, we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also have a few of the salient features, which include a built-in microphone, extra bass, and built-in micro woofers. On the bottom, we have another image of the speaker, but this time in a close-up format. We can see the buttons that control the speaker over here. This side simply has some Boult Audio branding and there is nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with using the device and understanding its various buttons and features. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the speakers. Next is the warranty card. It has a QR code on it that will help you register for the warranty, but once again, we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next is the charging cable. It has a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. It's approximately 20 inches long. We also have a 3.5 mm audio cable. Obviously, both ends have a 3.5 mm audio jack of the TRS kind. This too is approximately 20 inches long. Coming to the speaker unit itself, we can see that it has a black color theme which is prevalent all the way around it. Starting from the top, right in the middle, we have the power button, and above the power button we have the mode button. Below it we have the play or pause button. On either side of the power button we have the volume buttons. Between the power button and the play and pause button we have two holes. The one on the left is for the LED light, which would turn on when we turn the device on, and to the right we have the hole for the microphone. Finding our way down, we can see that it has a fabric like texture that goes all the way around it. Here we have the Boult Audio branding. On the back we have the two inputs for charging and auxiliary. The charging port is a micro USB one and the auxiliary one is the 3.5 mm audio jack, but the female. On the bottom we have a circular anti-skid pad and we have some information regarding the input and output power. The output power is 5 watts and input power is 5 volts DC at 1 ampere. So let's get started with using the device. Press and hold the power button to activate it.
Bluetooth mode.
Since this is the first time we are powering the device on, it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode automatically. Next, we will look for the device in the available devices section of our Bluetooth menu. Here we see that the Bluetooth name is Boult Audio Arc. Tap on it to begin the pairing process.
Your Arc speaker has now been connected.
Now that it is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level on the speaker is 80%. Now we can use the speakers to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Boult Audio Arc Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.